So, hello. Welcome back. Hey. What happened? So, the kids wanted to make pizza.
Meaning me.
Meaning her. But Layla wants to too.
Can we put the table?
Yeah, we're gonna do it on the table. Let me,
Don't we need flour?
yes, we're gonna get some flour.
Put some flour on my thing and then get a piece of dough.
A little bit of flour. Not just too much. It's too much, just a sprinkle.
Now you spread it out. Like this, Mom?
Yep, that's good.
Like this, and then you spread it out.
Mm-hmm.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
I'm just doing like this, letting it droop down if I wanted. And we don't want any holes because that would ruin the whole pizza.
No, you might have to make it into a square.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
I'm about to follow her around. This is a woman doing it.
Oh, yeah, look out there. Maybe you'll see the lady. I want them to see the lady.
I got this. About to do something you've never done before, guys.
Don't go out there.
I'm doing it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy. Oh, okay. Awkward.
What, the dog's out there?
Yep. I was about to go off too. I was about to do the whole intro and then like look around, get them all on the camera.
I don't want them.
Alright, let me follow my mom around again, my bad. Let me not make it about myself, you know. You guys know how it goes.
So, this is the, oh, look at you, honey. Look at you, honey. Being all professional. How's the lighting? You got the lighting right?
It's pretty good.
Piece of pie,
Wait, I just pressed this button. What does it do?
What'd you do?
I pressed the little button.
Is it still on?
Yeah.
I bet you it's not recording.
It is.
Oh, it is.
I pressed that button.
I don't know what it is. The dog wants to eat the next door neighbors. If you don't hear her growling, that's...
Or if you do hear her growling, that's what it is.
If you do hear her growling.
We got
That's
you.
what she's trying to do. She
We
wants
got
to
you.
eat them.
So
She wants
let's
them
take
to
a closer look at this. Nothing actually that special.
You deepen the egg.
Awkward.
Uh-huh.
Awkward.
Yes. You see?
Oh.
And then you deep
Yup. Mm-hmm.
in the yummy,
In my tummy.
what
bread-
you
bread.
call it,
Breadcrumbs.
breadcrumbs. Yes, and then you carry it back over yonder,
You put it right on the plate.
and you put it like so. And
Smack dab in the middle.
back over here.
Sorry,
and
sorry.
This is how you get your exercise while cooking.
So guys, let's explain that a little better. Flour on this side, dip it in the flour, put in the egg, put in the breadcrumbs, and that's what you got.
Well, you see, I didn't only do that. I put some garlic powder in there and a little bit of pepper and adobo.
Alright, mom.
Is that what you call it?
They're gonna get annoyed.
Puerto Rico adobo. See, now you follow me. You're over here and get some exercise.
They're gonna click off the video.
And then, no, they won't. My people love me.
If you guys
Don't
think
you
you guys
people?
are real
Look at
that looks pretty good.
Would you look at that?
That looks really, really
Doesn't that
good.
look so delicious.
That really does look very
It
delicious.
looks like a chicken.
That really does look like chicken.
It really looks like a chicken.
Can I have some, Mom?
Of course you can, the son.
Alrighty.
I think I'm going to make it faster forward so it's... Hey. Then you grab your fork and go back to the table because you don't have an island for your cooking food.
But I give in so easily.
Am I embarrassing you, son?
Or
Or are you going to talk like this later on?
I don't know about that one.
Follow me back so we can exercise.
My legs are starting to hurt.
Now we go back here.
Just making me run back and forth.
This is how we do. You put it in the flour, put it in the flour, flip it like so, put it in the egg dough, mix it all around, flip it all around, then you put it up in the breadcrumbs.
Having fun?
Yes.
I hate this.
And then we get the exercise and walk it to the fire and put it down. Then we walk back and then we take another one.
This is terrible. Terrible. Terrible.
You get what I'm saying, alright? Okay.
I hope so. By now. I really hope so.
You sing it again with me now. What's the matter for you? There's this Italian song. Shout out to Hello Hello. She sent me this song.
Low battery, Mom.
Oh dang. We'll be back with the finished product.
Sorry you guys had to see that. We love you.
Mama used to say, don't stay on the lake. Say all the time, what's the matter you? Hey, got
And no respect. Hey.
what do you think you do?
Hey.
So sad,
Hey.
it's not so bad.
Yeah. They're not shut up your face.
What?
Shut up your face. That's my mom. Here it is. And these are all done.
I'm good at this.
Good.
Really good at this.
We're about to go outside. That one's really oily. We're about to go outside. She's about to drive her car. And Layla's about to fly his drone. Alright guys, I have to clean up this mess. While I'm cooking, I will be cleaning.
Hold me close till I get up. side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Let's check my pizza. Okie dokie. Angie, you want some of the...
Leave my plates up here.
Here's Laylo's.
Warehouse. Can I help you find something?
Yeah.
Like your pants.
Here's Angie's. Look at all that mega cheesiness. Oh my gosh, it came out good. That looks like the good cheese for it. Please don't get it on your pants.
I'm not.
Right. Well, okay. So mine is, I needed to wait for the, what's it called? I forgot. I don't know why I can't think about it. I'm in so much pain right now. I think I'm ovulating, and when I ovulate, I don't know, I have like scar tissue or something. It's a problem. It's a problem. But I ain't trying to get no hysterectomy, so I just gotta deal with it. But I have some of them done. Now I'm kind of just waiting for them to come out, and I'm about to put my pizza. I put the eggplant. I put the fried eggplant on the pizza, and I put the cheese on it, and it's going in, baby. It's going in. Angie, yours didn't get burnt, right? Everything's good? Okay. Alright. It's going in. What's the matter, you? You gotta no respect. You say not so good. Say not so quick. Ah, shut up on your face.